Hello students, welcome to Sitaram IAS online coaching. So in this video we are going to learn part 4 of April 2022 current affairs. So till 400, I mean from 300 questions to 400 questions we are going to cover in this series. So first question is, what is MGNREGA? So it is Mahatma Gandhi National Rural Employment Guarantee Act. So it was launched in the year 2005, and this scheme's objective is to guarantee 100 days of employment in every financial year to adult members of any rural household willing to do public work related unskilled manual work. So the second question, what is Project Unnati? So this project intends to upgrade the skill base of MGNREGA worker and thereby improve their livelihoods so that they can move from current partial employment to thereby reduce their dependence on MGNREGA scheme. Third question, what is Deen Dayal Upadhyay Gramin Kausalya Yojana? So it aims to skill rural youth who are poor and provide them with jobs having regular monthly wages or above the minimum wages. Fourth question, which bacteria causes tuberculosis? It is Mycobacterium tuberculosis. Fifth question, which is the largest TB epidemics as per WHO? So it is India. Sixth question, who is the head of National Disaster Management Authority? It is Prime Minister. Seventh question, what is Mission Biorefineries? So it unites a dynamic and result-oriented partnership of countries, international organizations, corporate sectors, academic institutions and civil society to accelerate innovation for renewable fuels, chemicals and materials for a low carbon future. Eighth question, what are biorefineries? So these are refineries that convert biomass to energy and other beneficial byproducts. Ninth question, what is adjourned sine die? So it is dismissing of a sitting of parliament for an unspecified period. So recently budget session was adjourned sine die. Okay, in the budget session. So 10th question, what are the major bills that was passed by Lok Sabha and Rajya Sabha in budget session? So they are overall there are 11 bills which were passed by Lok Sabha and Rajya Sabha in the budget session. So some of the important bills are, the first one is Criminal Procedure Identification Bill 2022. Second is Delhi Municipal Corporation Amendment Bill 2022. Third is Constitution Scheduled Tribes Order Amendment Bill 2022. Fourth is Constitution Scheduled Castes and Scheduled Tribes Orders Amendment Bill 2022, and the fifth one is the Weapons of Mass Destruction and Their Delivery Systems Prohibition of Unlawful Activities Amendment Bill 2022. And yes, these are the 5 major bills. 11th question, what is RBI Innovation Hub? That is RBIH. So it aims to create an ecosystem that focuses on promoting access to financial services and products for the low income population in the country. 12th question, what is Swamitwa scheme? The full form of Swamitwa is Survey of Villages and Mapping with Improvised Technology in Village Areas. So this scheme is set up to create accurate land, reduce property related disputes and increase liquidity of land parcels. 13th question, Swamitwa scheme is launched under which ministry? It is launched under the Ministry of Panchayat Raj. 14th question, when did Jallianwala Bagh massacre took place? April 13, 1919. 15th question, what is the chronological order of Jallianwala Bagh massacre, Satyagraha, Hunter Commission and Rowlatt Act? So here the chronological order is first Rowlatt Act took place, and second Satyagraha, and the third is Jallianwala Bagh massacre, and last one is Hunter Commission. It is 4213. The chronological order is this. So let's learn with detail with dates. So Rowlatt Act was on March 10th, 1919. Satyagraha started on April 7, 1919. Jallianwala Bagh massacre took place on April 13, 1919, and Hunter Commission took place on October 14th, 1919. Sixth question, which commission was set up to inquire on Jallianwala Bagh massacre? It is the Hunter Commission. 17th question, which organization regulates the entire banking system of the country? It is RBI. 18th question, in which ranges of Himalayas Atal Tunnel was built? It was built on Pir Panjal range. 19th question, where is Mahakali river? So it is in Uttarakhand. So a bridge was recently signed to build between Nepal and India across this Mahakali river. Okay, so 20th question, who organized One Ocean Summit 2022? It is France. 21st question, what is the objective of One Ocean Summit? So its objective is to mobilize the international community to take action towards preserving and supporting healthy and sustainable ocean ecosystems. 22nd question, what is a tide? A tide is the alternate rising and falling of a sea. 23rd question, which countries implemented ocean education in school curricula? It is Brazil, Canada, Costa Rica, Kenya, Portugal, and Sweden. 24th question, under which organization is Intergovernmental Oceanographic Commission? It is under UNESCO. 25th question, what are the objectives of International Oceanographic Commission? So it coordinates global programs such as ocean mapping, ocean health monitoring, and tsunami risk prevention, and numerous scientific research projects. 26th question, what is the main objective of Insolvency and Bankruptcy Board of India, IBBI? So it has been tasked to promote the development of and regulate the working of and practices of insolvency professionals, insolvency professional agencies, and information utilities and other institutions. 27th question, what is the fourth highest civilian award in India? It is Padma Shri. 28th question, what is quantum communication? So it is one of the safest ways of connecting two places with high levels of code and quantum cryptography that cannot be decrypted or broken by an external entity. 29th question, which satellite of China deals with quantum information science? So it is Messius. 30th question, what are the oldest mountain ranges in India? They are the Aravalis. 31st question, what is OECM tag? OECM means other effective conservation measures. So this tag is given to the areas that are not protected but supported under rich biodiversity. Okay, but support rich biodiversity. So these areas support rich biodiversity. 32nd question, who issues OECM tag? So International Union for Conservation of Nature issues it. 33rd question, what is India's first OECM site? It is Aravali Biodiversity Park in Gurugram. It is in Haryana. 34th question, where is Thattekad Bird Sanctuary? It is in Kerala. 35th question, what is dark matter? So it is composed of particles that do not absorb, reflect, or emit light. 36th question, what are Sahyadri birdwing and Malabar tree nymph? So these are the species of butterflies which are recently found in Western Ghats. 37th question, what is called the upper atmosphere of the sun? It is corona. 38th question, which spacecraft was sent by NASA to enter solar atmosphere? It is Parker Solar Probe. 39th question, what is Alvan critical surface? So this is a point where the gravity and the magnetic fields are too weak. So it is found on the end of the Earth's sun's atmosphere. 40th question, what is central bank digital currency? So it is a virtual currency issued by central bank. 41st question, what is digital rupee? So it is issued by RBI and is in similar character to the normal rupee. 42nd question, why did India announce Panchamrit in Glasgow summit? So to combat climate change effects, India has come forward with its Panchamrit initiative. So this comprises of 5 initiatives. 43rd question, what is Pradhan Mantri Matsya Sampada Yojana? So the scheme which harnesses fisheries potential in a sustainable, responsible, inclusive and equitable manner. So it robust fisheries management and regulatory framework. 44th question, what is purple revolution? So it is the increase of aromatic plant, that is lavender production in the Jammu and Kashmir. 45th question, what is aroma mission? So it is the scheme to promote aromatic medicinal plants like lavender, aloe vera, mehendi, menthol and mint. 46th question, where is Mallanna Sagar Dam located? It is located in India in Telangana state. 47th question, what is carbon sink? So anything that absorbs more carbon from atmosphere than it releases, it is called carbon sink. So example, plants, oceans, soil, etc. 48th question, what is heat sink? So anything that absorbs heat from the substances is called heat sink. So example, ocean. 49th question, what are coral reefs? So these are made up of colonies of hundreds to thousands of tiny individual corals called polyps. 50th question, what are the importance of coral reefs? So they protect coastlines from storms and erosion. They provide jobs for local communities. They offer opportunities for recreation. 51st question, where did UNESCO recently discovered a rare coral reef? It is in Tahiti Islands in Australia. 52nd question, what is twilight zone on the earth? So it is a mysterious region of the ocean between 200 to 1000 meters in depth where sun doesn't reach. 53rd question, twilight zone is also known as mesopelagic zone. 54th question, what is called coral bleaching? So when water is too warm, corals will expel the algae living in their tissues, causing the coral to turn completely white. So this phenomenon is called coral bleaching. 55th question, can decrease in ozone layer affect seasonal cycles? No. 56th question, what is cellulose acetate fiber? So it is a biopolymer based on cotton or tree pulp cellulose. 57th question, what is cellulose used for? It's a main component of paper, cardboard, textiles made of cotton, flax or other plant fibers. 58th question, what are microplastics? So these are tiny plastic particles that result from both commercial product development and the breakdown of larger plastics. 59th, what are the difference between mammals and reptiles? So mammals have high metabolic rate and they are warm blooded. They produce their own body heat, whereas reptiles are low metabolic rate. They have low metabolic rate. They are cold blooded and their temperature depends on external environmental factors. 60th question, how much percentage of groundwater is present on earth? It is 0.62%. 61st question, where are Hoysala temples located? So they are located in Belur, Halebit, Somanathapura in Karnataka. 62nd question, what is the importance of Hoysala temples? So they are great patronage of arts, literature and religion. 63rd question, what are the three Hoysala temples? First one is Hoysaleshwar temple in Halebid, second is Chennakeshava temple in Belur, and third is Keshava temple in Somanathapura. All these are located in Karnataka. So recently, Indian government has suggested these Hoysala temples to categorize it under the UNESCO World Heritage Sites. So in that context, this question has come. 64th question, what are radio waves? So these are a type of electromagnetic radiations with the longest wavelength. 65th question, what are the fast radio bursts? So these are the bright bursts of radio waves that can be created by celestial objects. 66th question, in which Indian state is the giant microwave radio telescope located? So it is in Maharashtra. 67th question, what is the importance of giant microwave radio telescope? So it produced important discoveries in domains such as pulsars, supernova, galaxies, quasars, and cosmology, greatly enhancing the understanding of the universe. 68th question, what are pulsars? They are the spinning dead stars made of densely packed neutrons. 69th question, what is supernova? So it is the explosion of a star. 70th question, what is geospatial technology? It uses tools like GIS, that is Geographic Information System, GPS, that is Global Positioning System, and remote sensing for geographic mapping and analysis. 71st question, what are stem cells? So they are special cells that can make copies of themselves and change into many different kinds of cells that the body needs. 72nd question, what are the three types of stem cells? So the first type is embryonic stem cells. So they supply new cells that develop a baby. Second type is adult stem cell, and these stem cells replace cells that get damaged. And the third type is induced pluripotent stem cells. So here induced means which are made in lab. So by taking normal adult cells like skin or blood cells. 73rd question, what is fair and remunerative price, FRP? So it is a price declared by the government which mills are legally bound to pay to farmers for the sugar cane procured from them. 74th question, who is the chairman of Cabinet Committee on Economic Affairs? So it is Prime Minister. 75th question, what is meant by sugar recovery? So it is a ratio between sugar produced versus cane crushed. 76th question, what is the main function of Financial Stability and Development Council? So it maintains financial stability, enhance inter-regulatory coordination and promoting financial sector development in the country. 77th question, who recommended to set up FSDC? So it is Raghuram Rajan Committee. 78th question, where is Kaziranga National Park? It is located in Assam. 79th question, can forest emit more carbon dioxide than it absorbs? Yes. 80th question, what is the main reason for Kaziranga National Park emitting more carbon dioxide than it absorbs? So due to the presence of huge population of bacteria in that Kaziranga National Park, it emits a carbon dioxide, that all the bacteria present there emits carbon dioxide while breathing. So it emits more carbon dioxide than it absorbs. So 81st question, which sanctuary hosts 2/3 of the world's great one-horned rhinoceros? It is Kaziranga National Park. 82nd question, where is Diplu River? It is in Assam. 83rd question, who releases annual frontiers report? It is UNEP, United Nations Environment Program. 84th question, what are the three environmental issues identified by Frontier Report 2022? It is wildfires, noise pollution, changes in biological life cycle of plants and animals. 85th question, what is black carbon? It is formed by the incomplete combustion of fossil fuels, wood and other fuels. 86th question, on what aspects did the messages of Ramanujacharya based on? So it is based on equality and social justice. 87th question, why fentanyl is smuggled in Bangladesh from India? So this is smuggled from India to Bangladesh. So this fentanyl is a drug. It is smuggled to Bangladesh as it enhances the milk producing capacity of the cattle. 88th question, what is green hydrogen? The hydrogen which does not emit greenhouse gases is called green hydrogen. 89th question, what is grey hydrogen? So the hydrogen that emits greenhouse gases like carbon dioxide, methane, nitrous oxide, water vapor is called grey hydrogen. 90th question, what is blue hydrogen? So it produces greenhouse gases that are captured and sequestered. 91st question, an oscilloscope is an instrument which helps us to see waves produced by sound. 92nd question, why is liquid water denser than ice? Due to hydrogen bonding. 93rd question, which state in India is the leading producer of coffee? It is Karnataka. 94th question, Ranjit Sub 1 and Bahadur Sub 1 are the two newly developed varieties of rice. 95th question, what are mature ecosystems? The ecosystems which are characterized by low net community production are called mature ecosystems. 96th question, biological treatment of water pollution is done with the help of phytoplankton. 97th question, which components of ecosystems acts as intermediary between biotic and abiotic sections? It is decomposers. 98th question, which Indian state is surrounded by Bangladesh on three sides? It is Tripura. 99th question, which white rust is a major fungal disease in the crop of mustard. 100th question, which chemical substance is used as the marker on fingers during elections? It is silver nitrate. Thank you for watching. If you like this video, do subscribe and like it. Thank you.